What's up everyone, happy Saturday and happy Mother's Day in advance for all mothers in the world. Today we got a trampoline pick up a new Nextdoor app referral client in Redwood City, California. We found a cute kitty before to start removing the trampoline. Now here we're going. Start with the trampoline, and I will show on this time-lapse video how to disassemble and take parts. First, start cutting the sides protections cushions. Next, we're going to remove all the springs, all the way around. Once all the springs has been removed, we're going to continue disassemble all the metal bars and any other screws and brackets. You can use a hammer to disconnect the metal bars. Now everything is already disassembled and ready to start loading up the truck. As you can see, this job is pretty easy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and help you out with the trampoline disassembly. See you on the next video. Hasta la vista.